Sure. Good morning, students. So I hope all of you are, able to, I'm going to share the screen with you, the digital board. Please confirm that all of you are able to view that screen.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's start, discussing the solutions. So that, uh, the first problem we did yesterday. So let me, first pull the questions.
Yes.
So that it will be helpful to you, and we'll see that, as I said yesterday, that we'll see that how applying the concept whatever we learned in the last couple of classes, we can solve all these things. So let me first pull the question here. So that was the first question given, right?
Yes.
All of you are able to view the screen very clearly, right? All the forms are proper. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, the first part of the question that we already discussed, yesterday.
Yeah.
So, anyone has any doubt on the second one, x square e power x?
Yes.
Huh?
No, so I got e to the power x into 2x plus x squared.
So I got e to the power x into x cubed by e plus 2.
Okay, let's see. So, come again, Mohor, once more, what you said?
So I said e to the power x into in brackets 2x plus x squared.
Fantastic, that is the correct answer. Divansu, what you said?
I got e to the power x into x cubed by e plus 2.
X cubed by e plus 2.
Yeah, x cubed by e is 1 and then plus 2.
Okay. I think you are also you got the correct, but in a little different form. Okay, let's see.
Yeah, I simplified it a lot, so it could be different.
So you got see the point here is that anyone has any doubt in this question before that, means before I proceed?
No, sir.
No doubt, right? So let me do it here. So it is we need to find ddx of x square e power x, correct?
Yeah.
So that is equal to x square into ddx of e power x. Correct or not? Divansu?
Yeah.
Plus e power x into ddx of x square, the formula, product will. So then what is differentiation of e power x? Is e power x? X square e power x. Correct, Divansu? Plus e power x into differentiation of x square is 2x.
The differentiation of e power x, won't it be like x to the power x minus 1?
No, absolutely
No,
not.
it's still e to the power x.
Correct. So it shows that you have not looked into the formula what I sent day before yesterday. It is as simple as that. Please just go open that, what I discussed day before yesterday. Do you all of you agree to me, dear students?
Yes. It's e to the power x.
How come this thing comes into your mind? Please, then you are not following the classes very effectively. You are following classes, but not effectively, right? Divansu, am I right or wrong?
I didn't know the formula.
So, no, why you didn't know the formula? We discussed, then you should be knowing, right? Correct or not? Tell me.
Yes.
Exactly. So if we can take x e power x common, then x plus 2. Okay, third one, anyone has done any doubt? What is the answer you got for third one, dear students?
You got 3x square plus 6x plus 2.
Yeah, I
Yes,
got that.
I got the same.
You got 3x square plus 6x plus 2. But
Yeah.
how you have done it?
So I
I
multiplied the
took
entire thing. And then
I took like two of them as x square plus x into x plus 2, and then I used the multiplication formula. So
I multiplied everything and found out like the differentiation of addition.
Exactly. I think that is the approach all of you took. Srijita, Disha, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So there is another way also you can take it. Just give you a different flavor so that you can do it little easy manner. So this one, right?
Hmm.
So let's assume y is equal to x into x plus 1 into x plus 2, correct?
Hmm.
So now, whenever you see there is, product of several expression, you can always think, can I take a log? Will
Log of
help me. Okay. So this implies what? Log of y should be log of x into x plus 1 into x plus 2. So now think about the log formula. That should be log of x plus product rule, na? Log.
yeah.
You able to recall, dear students?
Yeah.
Log of m into n is equal to log m plus log n, correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
Log of m plus n is equal to log m plus log n. Now it is
Hmm.
just an extension. Log of x into x plus 1 into x plus 2. That means log x plus log of x plus 1 into log of x plus 2.
Just two. Yeah.
Now we can differentiate all the sides with respect to x. ddx of log y. Correct or not?
Yeah.
So that is equal to ddx of log x, ddx of log of x plus ddx of log of x plus 1 plus ddx of log of x plus 2. Correct or not?
Yeah. Yeah.
Log of x plus 2. Now in the left hand side, as you see, ddx of log y,
One.
first you need to make dy of log y into dy dx, correct or not? Chain rule, because we really cannot do differentiation y with respect to x. You need to first make differentiation of log y with respect to y.
Yeah.
That is called the function of function all chain rule.
Hmm.
All of you agree to me? Actually,
Yeah.
just to explain this, I took this approach, that took the logarithm. And what is ddx of log x?
1/x.
Fantastic. All of you are able to get it. ddx of log x equal to 1 by x plus what is the ddx
yes,
of log of x plus 1?
1/x plus 1.
1 by x plus 1, and you can say into ddx of x plus 1.
Oh.
Correct or not? Chain rule.
Yeah.
ddx of x plus 1. Correct or not?
Yeah.
Similarly, ddx of log of x plus 2, that means 1 by
X plus 2.
1 by x plus 2 into
ddx
log
of
of
x.
x plus 2, chain rule, same thing.
Okay.
So this implies what is ddy of log y? It should be 1 by y
Yeah.
into dy dx.
Hmm.
That is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 1 into ddx of x plus 1 is 1, nothing but. Because
1.
ddx of x plus 1 is nothing but ddx of x plus ddx of 1.
Yeah.
ddx of x is 1 and ddx of 1 is 0
Yes. Yes.
plus 1 by x plus 2. In the same manner, ddx of, I'm so sorry, there is a mistake I have done.
The log.
Yeah, it should be ddx, sorry. ddx of x plus 2 is also 1.
1.
Because
Yeah.
dd of x plus 2 is nothing but ddx of x plus ddx of 2. ddx of x is 1, ddx of 2 is 0.
Yeah.
Correct or not?
Yeah.
So from here, what we get? From here we get dy dx is equal to y into all this stuff. Correct or not? What is
Yeah.
y? Y is nothing but x into x plus 1 into x plus 2. Correct or not?
Yes.
And into 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 1. Correct?
Yeah.
Plus 1 by x plus 2. Any smallest doubt, please do let me know. So from here, you can write that yes, I got the required differentiation as x plus 1 into x plus 2
Mm.
plus x into x plus 2 plus x into x plus 1.
Yeah.
And if you simplify, you'll get the same thing. In fact, in particular, this question, the approach what you took, dear students, are better than what I did. Why? Because it took longer steps, simply.
Yeah.
Then the question is that, sir, if my step is taking lesser step, then why you explain like this? Because it's a different approach, and sometime you will see taking this approach for a different type of problem where products are there will help you a lot than a product one.
Okay.
Think about instead of x plus 1 and x plus 2, there are some other functions are there. Log is there, sine is there, then inverse function is there. Then, taking that simple multiplication will take a longer time. So the fundamentals, what we learned is that you got my point, what I'm talking about. The last
Yeah.
step, instead of x plus 1 and x plus 2, think about some, complex functions, expressions, and their product is there. Instead of x, you can assume it is, log of sine x square. Instead of x plus 1, it will be again multiplied that 1 plus 1, and it will be a big expression. So at that time, taking log is the most efficient approach. Got it?
So can you explain the third step, like from ddx of log y?
Oh,
Uh,
sure.
that one.
Okay. Yeah, absolutely. So what we understood
Like,
that the other day, that there is a chain rule. If
yeah.
you, here what we see is that it is a ddx of log y.
Mm.
But we know differentiation we can have with respect to the same variable, na?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
why we did d dy of log y, then dy dx. You can take it a different approach. What is the different approach? Suppose, d dx of log y, that's what you need to find, na?
Yeah.
So instead of log y, let's assume it is u. That is equal to what? d dx of u,
Yeah.
where u is equal to log y.
Okay.
Now what you do? Then you d du of u
Log. Yeah.
into log u. Correct or not?
Yes.
So sorry, du of log u into du dx.
Yeah.
Correct or not?
I understood. Okay.
What du of u is 1
Yeah.
into du dx is what? d dx of, sorry, uh, just a
Yes.
minute, du into du dx,
Mm.
d dx of log y. So just a minute, let me have a look into it. We need to find d du into du dx, du, yeah. Just a minute. Let me do it once more, so that there will be no confusion. Just a minute. Let me use a different color. So what I'm saying is that your task is to find d dx of log of y. Correct? Huh?
Yeah.
So what log y we are assuming? Log y we can assume as u, right?
Yeah.
So that means d dx of u.
U. Yeah.
So where u is equal to what?
Log y.
Log y. Correct?
Yeah.
So to differentiate this thing, what we do? So
ddu.
d du, correct or not? d du of u. into du dx. That also you can take, or more simple thing is that you can take this approach, is that because as you know the chain rule is that the best approach is that as it is a function, as you remember that what I said the other class,
Right.
you don't you assume this thing, that black box, that whatever marked in yellow, right? So then what you'll do, you'll do d dy
of
of whatever is there inside that yellow, that I'm not writing, into dy dx.
D. Yeah, yeah.
Correct or not? That's what I did it here actually, you see.
Okay, got
Now
it.
what is this one? This one is nothing but log y, right?
Log.
I just
Yeah.
write it here.
Okay. Okay.
Correct.
Fine. Understood.
Means my humble suggestion is that if you look into that, uh, always go back to the basics and make some practice, as it is there in the daily practice problem in the online test platform at KonarClasses.com. You will find that more and more practice will leads you to this one. Is it fine? Then can I proceed to the next question?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. So I hope the question 4 you have done, dear students. Or anyone has any simplest doubt, please do let me know.
Sir, I got x square plus 8x minus 3 by x plus 4 whole square.
Correct. That is the correct
Yeah,
answer.
I got that.
All of you got it?
Yes.
Okay, great. Then let's proceed to the next one. Disha, you also got it right, dear Disha?
Yes.
Okay, great. So, shall I proceed to the question number 5? Question number
Yes.
5, what you got?
I got 1 minus x to the power 3 by 2 into 1 plus x to the power 1 by 2.
1 minus x power?
3 by 2.
1 minus x power 3 by 2 into?
1 plus x to the power 1 by 2.
A little wrong has actually happened. Little wrong. You are almost there, but very, very silly mistake. By hearing your statement, I can confirm that it is a silly mistake what you have done. What about others? Want to confirm, or it is the same answer you also got?
I got something different. I got minus of root over 1 minus x by 1 minus x whole square.
Okay. Okay, let's see. It looks like it is not correct. Okay. Fine. So shall we do it? Sagnik, Gurman, what is your statement?
So I got 1 by 1 minus x to the power 3 by 2 into root of x plus 1.
Fantastic. That seems a very correct answer.
So I got the same thing, but I got 1 by 1 minus x to the power 2.
Correct. No, it should not be 2. Sorry, it should not be 2. The answer should be, okay, listen to my statement carefully. Answer should be numerator by denominator, where numerator is 1 and denominator is multiplication of two expressions. First one is 1 minus x, that means you can assume within the bracket 1 minus x, into square root of under square root 1 minus x square. Okay. Divantu, the answer what you gave is actually the reciprocal of that.
Yeah.
Okay, that is why things actually, let's do it together. Okay, all of us, let me do it, and you can also see that whether Sari is going in the right approach or not. There are multiple ways we can do it. Okay, we can use it in a product rule, we can use it in the division rule, both will do. Okay, so let me use a different color pen, and so that it will be, you can see it different. This one, right?
Yes.
So
15.
what we assume, and you see the precondition is given as x is not equal to 1. Obviously, if x is equal to 1, the denominator becomes 0. Something
Yes.
by denominator doesn't make sense, no?
Yeah.
So what we are assuming, let y is equal to square root of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. That actually means what? That implies it is means 1 plus x power 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus x power 1 by 2. All of you agree to me, dear students?
Yes, sir.
So this implies dy dx. As the color is different, you will find what I'm saying. So, or with your permission, may I remove this part?
Yes, sir.
This is well understood, na more?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. So then, what we can write here is that dy dx, that is equal to, as we have learned, it is u by v formula, where u is 1 plus x power 1 by 2 and v is 1 minus x power 1 by 2.
Okay.
So that is nothing but 1 minus x power 1 by 2 power 2.
Yeah.
Correct or not? V square. Then v. Dear Divansu, if you have any question, never hesitate to ask me, because you got a different answer, into ddx of 1 plus x power 1 by 2. Correct or not? Minus 1 plus x power 1 by 2 into ddx of 1 minus x power 1 by 2. All of you agree to me?
Yeah.
Okay. Good that you understood this step, because it is just application of the simple formula of u by v. So from here what we get? From here we get dy dx is equal to, now let's first compute the denominator. It is 1 minus x power 1 by 2 power 2. That is actually nothing but 1 minus x, no?
Yeah.
If you recall, a power m power n is equal to a power m into n. So here 1 minus x power 1 by 2 power 2 means 1 minus x power 1 by 2 into 2. 1 by 2 into 2 get cancelled and get to 1.
Yeah.
Now here what we get? 1 minus x power 1 by 2 into 1 plus x power 1 by 2. So that means 1 by 2 into 1 plus x power 1 by 2 minus 1. Correct or not? Into ddx of 1 plus x. Got it? All of you?
Yeah.
All of you, please, I repeat the statement.
Yes.
Into ddx of, let me write, ddx of 1 plus x. Chain rule. Correct, na?
Yeah.
Minus, same manner, 1 plus x power 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, because we are doing ddx of 1 minus x power 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus x power, just a minute, let me write clearly. 1 minus x power 1 by 2 minus 1
Yeah.
into ddx of 1 minus x.
Yes.
All of you agree to me, dear students?
Yeah.
So from here what we get? Dy dx. From here what we get is that we can take in the denominator 1 by x as it is. Now 1 minus x power 1 by 2 by 1 plus x power minus 1 by 2. Na? 1 plus x power 1 by 2 minus 1 is 1 plus x power 1 minus 1 by 2. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
That implies what? 1 minus x power 1 by 2. Actually 1 by 2 we can take it as a square root of 1 minus x. Na? Correct or not, dear students?
Yeah.
Square root of 1 minus x divided by square root of 1 plus x. Correct or not? All of you agree to me? Divansu, are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
And so 1 by 2 I took it here, then 1 minus x power 1 by 2 is square root of 1 minus x, and 1 plus x power 1 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by square root of 1 plus x. Simple algebraic simplification. And ddx of 1 plus is what? Devanshu?
Sir, ddx of what?
ddx of 1 plus x, what you see here?
It is 1.
It is 1. Why? Because ddx of 1 plus ddx of x, ddx of 1 is 0 and ddx of x is 1. So it is 1. Similarly, in the same manner, what you get minus square root of 1 plus x divided by square root of 1 minus x.
Yeah.
And here it is 1 by 2. Correct or not?
Yeah.
So now, after that, the question doesn't belongs to, differential calculus at all. It is just, how well we are aware of simplification of algebraic expression. So how it is come is that 2 will come in the denominator, 1 minus x as it is there. Then square root of 1 plus x into square root of 1 minus x. It will be square root of 1 minus x square.
Yeah.
Devanshu? So then square root of 1 minus x into square root of 1 minus x, it will be 1 minus x. Minus of square root of 1 plus x into square root of 1 plus x will be 1 plus x.
Yeah.
Srijita, absolutely clear all these steps, dear Srijita?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So this implies dy dx is equal to 1 minus x minus 1 minus x. Sorry, there must be some mistake I have done. Just a minute. I made a small mistake. You see, ddx of 1 minus x. ddx of 1 minus x is what? Minus 1. I said 1. You guys also said yes, sir. You are also correct. May not be always. You should believe my statement with your eyes open, with your mind open. ddx of 1 minus x is what? ddx of 1 minus ddx of x. Let me write it here in a different color. Okay. What I did, ddx of 1 minus x. So that is equal to what? ddx of 1 minus ddx of x.
Yeah.
ddx of 1 is 0. ddx of x is 1
Minus.
minus 1. Got it?
Minus.
So
Yeah.
that is the benefit of having, engaged discussion. And you think about that you are also doing in this way. Mistake happens. But you see what happens going to happen here? Minus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. Minus x minus get cancelled. 0 by something. 0 cannot be an answer, acceptable answer in this case. Because the entire expression is not a constant. So
Yeah.
there must be some mistake I have done. And I backtrack and I found, I made a mistake of finding ddx of 1 minus x. So ultimately it will be plus. Minus and minus get multiplied, correct?
Yes.
So then minus x and minus get cancelled. So I get 2 by ups. So I get 2 by 2 into 1 minus x into square root of 1 minus x square. So from here, what we get dy dx is equal to 1 by 1 minus x into square root of 1 minus x square. My statement to especially Devanshu. Devanshu, you said actually, reciprocal of whatever I have found, right? Now you can look back and see and have a look that where things went wrong. And the same problem. I'm sorry, yeah, please. Where is your doubt?
No, like just want to see.
I didn't get your question very clearly. Could you please repeat once more?
I just want to see what was okay. So could you move a bit down? Like I'll just see the.
Oh, sure. Acha, more. I need to go down. Okay. Sure. Here.
Yes, sir. This.
I don't know why this is coming. And the same problem, I can do it in some different approach. Sagnik, I hope you did it in this approach.
Yes, I did similar.
Similar thing. But there is a simplified approach also that I'm going to show you. Mohor, you also did it in the same approach?
Yeah, so but like I did made a mistake. I forgot to multiply. Like with the signs, I did something else in the formula.
I'm sorry. Oh, acha. Okay. Sign formula. You made it. Now you understood, right? And that is
I
why.
took
Yeah.
I
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Divanshu, please.
Yeah, I taken a different method where like I took 1 plus x by 1 minus x as u, and then y is equal to u to power 1 by 2, and then
Correct. You can take. Okay. Then what will happen? Okay. No problem. It is not a bad approach. So what will happen is that something like this. So let me use a different color. Okay. Then you'll find where the mistake actually happened. Okay. So let me. Can I write it here?
Yes.
What he did? He took that. Okay. It is u to the power 1 by 2. Okay. Where u is equal to 1 plus x by 1 minus x.
yeah,
That's what you are saying, na?
yeah,
Divanshu?
then it becomes a function of a function.
Function of a
So
function. Correct. So then, if you find dy dx, so what you will do? First, d
first I
du
found dy du.
correct. D du of u power 1 by 2
Huh.
into then du dx.
Yeah.
So what is du of u power 1 by 2? You tell me.
1 by 2 into u to power minus 1 by 2.
Fantastic. U to the power minus 1 by 2. Then d dx of what is? D dx of 1 plus x by 1 minus x.
Yeah. That I
Then
got to be 2 by x
okay,
square plus 1 minus 2x.
let's do it.
Okay.
Then you'll understand where exactly the difference actually happened. But this is a good approach. I appreciate. So 1 by 2, u to the power minus 1 by 2, what we can write? We can write square root of 1 minus x divided by square root of 1 plus x. Do you agree to me? Because u is 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So u to the power minus 1 by 2 should be reciprocal and square root, na? Square root of 1 by
Yeah.
square root. Correct? Then what will be? It is 1 minus x whole square.
Yeah.
Then 1 minus x into d dx of 1 plus x. Correct or not?
Yeah.
Minus 1 plus x into d dx of 1 minus x. Correct or not?
Yeah.
So from here what we get? As it is a different color, always you can make a difference between across the different sums. Square root of 1 minus x divided by square root of 1 plus x into 1 minus x into d dx of 1 plus x. What is d dx of 1 plus x, dear Divanshu?
1.
Very good. So ultimately we get it here 1 minus x. And what is the d dx of 1 minus x?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. So minus 1 and minus 1 get plus 1. So plus 1 minus x. So what we get here? We get in the numerator 2 into square root of 1 minus x divided by denominator we get 2 into square root of 1 plus x. Correct, no?
Just 1 second.
Simple algebraic simplification. Yep. Take time, slowly. No hurry.
So why should we plus 1 minus x? You got 1 minus x plus 1 minus x.
Yes,
Then
sir.
it will be plus 1 plus x.
Yeah.
Okay, just a minute. Okay. What you are saying is that ddx of 1 plus x minus of 1 plus x into ddx of 1 minus x. Yeah. Plus 1 plus x. Correct. Plus 1 plus x. Yep.
So and x plus x minus x cancel. So it becomes 2
2.
by 1 minus x whole square.
Sorry. 2 also got cancelled. Yeah, I will cancel in the next step. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Then if you simplify, you will get the same thing, na?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct or not? If you simplify, you get the same thing, I hope. Correct? That 1 minus x, 1 minus x, 1 will get cancelled, na? The same thing.
I think I made a mistake in the last simplification.
Okay. So understanding the mistake is the most
Yeah.
important thing. Correct, na?
Hmm.
Now, the same problem, you can do it in little different approach, dear students. Okay, let me show you. Because, it is always good to spend time on, on the fundamentals we should spend time. Once the fundamental is clear, the rest will actually all fall in place.
Yes.
So I am doing it here, correct? So what I can write here, y is equal to, I can write here is that 1 plus x power 1 by 2 into 1 minus x power minus 1 by 2. All of you agree to me?
Yeah.
Disha, you agree to me?
Yes.
Okay, correct. So now it becomes a product rule if we differentiate. So from here, if you find dy dx, so what it will be? It will be 1 plus x power 1 by 2 into ddx of
Yes, so 1 minus x to the
1 minus x power minus 1 by 2
yeah.
plus 1 minus x power
Minus half
minus 1 by 2 into ddx of
1 plus x to the power.
1 plus x power 1 by 2.
Yeah.
All of you agree to me, dear students?
Yes.
Anyone has any doubt? Goodman? Perfectly fine, dear Goodman.
Yes, sir.
So now let's apply what is our understanding is equal to 1 plus x power 1 by 2 into it is minus 1 by 2
Yeah.
to 1 minus x power minus 1 by 2 minus 1, that is minus 3 by 2
Minus 3 by 2.
into ddx of 1 minus x, that is minus 1.
Yeah.
Several steps I have done here.
Mm-hmm.
What I did, ddx of 1 minus x power minus 1 by 2, ddx of 1 minus x power minus 1 by 2, what I did, minus 1 by 2 will come outside. Then 1 minus x power minus 1 by 2 minus 1, that is minus 3 by 2 into ddx of 1 minus x, function of functions or chain rule, the way you want to define, correct?
Yeah.
Plus 1 minus x power minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 plus x power 1 by 2 minus 1, that is minus 1 by 2 into ddx of 1 plus x, that is 1.
Yeah.
Now if you simplify, then what you will get, dear students, if you simplify, you will get the same thing what I get in the other approaches. Got it or not?
Yes. Yes.
So what we have done in the, in all these things is that we actually see that how the same problem can be done in multiple approaches. Okay, and which one, and with all these approaches we have learned something. We use chain rule, we use product rule, we use division rule, correct?
Yeah.
And same thing you can also try, you can use logarithm. In fact, logarithm is also another approach. Take y is equal to 1 plus x by 1 minus x power 1 by 2. Then take log y. So it is 1 by 2, log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. That is also another approach. You got my point, what I'm talking about?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, now let's concentrate on the sixth question, sixth part of that question, that is cos of log of x plus 1 by x. You can let me know what is your answer, all of you.
Sir, I didn't get this one.
Okay, we'll discuss this thing. Dear, good morning, Sagnik, Disha, Sneha. Could you please
I
answer?
didn't get it.
Okay, we'll look into it. Not a big
For
deal.
the sixth one, right?
Yeah, sixth one. Yeah, Sagnik, sixth
I
one.
got a minus sign into log of x plus 1 by x into x by x plus 1.
Okay, let's see. It looks like something has happened. Srijita, Disha, you want to say something before I proceed?
So even I didn't get.
Okay, let me help you. See, the one important rule in solving this kind of problem is that to make it in a modular approach. Modular approach means break into small part of the same, bigger one. What is the question here? Let's spend time, because if we spend time in this kind of question, it will help us a lot. Okay. And here also you can solve in multiple ways. Cos of log x plus 1 by x, correct? No? So let me write it here. Can I do it here now? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So that was the question. No? All of you are able to view it?
Yes.
Okay. So here let y is equal to cos of log x plus 1 by, by x. So how you want to do it is that, as I said, that we will break into the smaller parts. So this implies y is equal to cos of this big thing in that log of x plus 1 by x. Let's assume that is equal to one thing is called u, where u is equal to log of x plus 1 by x. Anyone has any doubt, dear students? Okay. Correct or not?
Yeah. Yeah.
Absolutely clear?
Yes.
Now, so u is equal to log of x plus x. So what we can do is that, first you need to find dy dx, correct? So this implies dy dx is equal to d du of cos of u
Yeah.
into du dx, dear students. Am I right?
Yes.
Correct or not?
Yes.
So now this implies what? Sagnik, you also need to confirm that where the missing link. Your answer is different than what I got. What is the differentiation of cos u, dear student?
Minus
minus sine u.
Fantastic. Appreciate. So minus of sine of u.
Yeah.
Appreciate. And ddx of u, du dx. Now our task is to find du dx, correct? That is called modular approach, means break the bigger, large problem into small problems. So in fact, we can give this as equation number 1. Chalo. Now let us completely concentrate on how to find du dx, correct? Correct?
Yeah.
So u is equal to there. All we need to find is that du dx. Correct?
Yeah.
So one question I have.
Yeah, please.
Here the log does not have a base. So like, what is the base supposed to be then?
Okay. So the point is that though in particular in this context, it is not very important, but as a overall discussion of log, it is a very valid question. Whenever we say log, okay, that means its base is 10.
Okay.
When you say it is ln, that means it is a log base e. When you say lg, that is actually log of base 2.
Okay.
Correct?
Yeah.
So whenever you say log 10, that means it is log. Means
Okay.
got it? Got my point? Got it or not?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is, so here though base is not, in context to the question,
Okay.
but as a side discussion, you can always have this thing. Got it? So now point is that how to differentiate this one. Here also we can make it in a miniature version. Here you can write, so we can write from here that this implies u is equal to log of v. Where v is equal to x plus 1 by x. All of you agree to me, dear students? What was there? U is equal to log of x plus 1 by x. I take is, okay, chalo, u is equal to log v. Then v has to be x plus 1 by x, na?
Yeah.
All of you agree to me?
Yes.
So what is our task? Our task is to find du dx, because that is actually governed by that equation 1. So du dx is nothing but d dv of log v.
Yeah.
D dv of log v into dv dx. Correct or not?
Yeah.
Correct or not?
Yeah.
So from here what we get? We get du dx is equal to d dv of log v is what? 1 by v.
1 by v. Yeah.
Okay. Into d dx of
V.
v. What is v? V is x plus 1 by x.
Yeah.
That you can simplify. You can write that is equal to 1 plus 1 by x.
Yeah.
Right? Simple as x plus 1 by x means x by x plus 1 by x. That is 1 plus 1 by x.
Yes.
Obviously, since x is not equal to 0, that's why you are able to define. Otherwise, the question doesn't make sense.
Yes.
So this implies what? Du dx is equal to 1 by v. 1 by v means what? X by 1 plus x plus 1, na?
Yeah.
If v is equal to x plus 1 by x, then 1 by v should be x by x plus 1
Yeah.
into ddx of 1 plus 1 by x. That means ddx of x, ddx of 1, correct?
Yeah. Plus ddx of 1 by
Plus
x.
ddx of 1 by x. That means x to the power minus 1.
Yeah.
Technique? Absolutely clear? Dear
Yes,
Technique?
sir.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Du dx is equal to x by x plus 1 into ddx of 1 is 0 and dx of x power minus 1 is what? Minus 1
Minus
into x to the power minus 1, that is minus 2.
2. Yeah.
In fact, I don't need to give, second bracket. First bracket is sufficient. Correct or not?
Yeah.
So from here, what do we get? From here, we get du dx is equal to minus of x into x to the power minus 2 is x to the power minus 1. That is 1 by x, na?
Yeah.
So minus 1 by x into x plus 1.
Yeah.
All of you got it.
Yes.
Now that value of du dx we can apply here, na?
Okay.
In that equation 1. That value of du dx we can apply it here. Then what we are going to get about dy dx? So from here we get dy dx is equal to minus of sine of u. U to you already know what is that, log of x plus 1 by x.
Yeah.
Correct or not?
Yes.
X plus 1 by x into du dx. So du dx is minus, so minus and minus become plus.
Yeah.
And here it is 1 by x into x plus 1. All of you agree to me?
Yeah. Yeah.
So what the answer we are finally getting? It is equal to 1 by x into x plus 1 into sine of log of x plus 1 by x. Correct or not?
Yes.
So this implies you can spend 5 minutes, slowly look into it, because we have not done anything new. Only the right application of the right formula at the right time. Not only knowing formula is only sufficient. Applying those formulas at the right time is extremely important. That is equal to sine into log into x plus 1 divided by x. Anyone has any smallest question, never hesitate to ask me.
No, sir. It's clear. Understood.
Absolutely clear?
Yes, sir.
But the point is that we can always discuss that what was stopping us to not performing at the first time. Sometime I say that sometime we need to ask questions to ourselves to get answer. We can take a break for 2 minutes just to think what was stopping me to answer this particular question. What was stopping me? What was the difficulty? I want to take the same problem in a different approach. So when we take modular one, we take the modular approach when we are not very confident, isn't it? Suppose if I want to tell at a stretch you need to make a bicycling for 3 hours. It is difficult if you are very novice, right? Isn't it? So you'll go for half an hour, take a break, then go for half an hour, take a break. In that way will go. But who is very expert? Then you will take in one stretch or maybe one break and done. Like the same method. Let's take it in a different approach. As I said in one of my previous class, is that what was stopping me? Let me use a different color pen. Yeah. So same thing. I'll bring it here, and I want to explain the same problem once more, because getting the problem from a different perspective is important. Acha, by the way, Sagnik, is it absolutely clear now?
Yes, sir.
Your answer was not matching the same thing. Disha, Srijita, absolutely clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So here it is why. What you need to find? ddx, right? We need to find dy dx. See it here, how I am doing. Dy dx is equal to ddx of a big thing. Big means it is not that big. Apparently it is big. Of log of x plus 1 divided by x. Correct? Now, what will be our first target? Cos. Cos will be our first target. Whatever is there inside cos, you remember, I mark it as a, black box. Though I am saying it is black box, but it is marked in blue.
Yeah.
Black box generally means I do not know what is there inside. I am not interested to know.
Yeah.
Let me use a black box only. Chalo. Let me use a black box. It is a black box, correct?
Yeah.
So I don't bother what is there inside that black box for the time being. What I bother about? I only bother about cos of that black box. Correct or not?
Yeah.
So it will be
Minus.
minus of sine of that black box.
Yeah.
Correct or not, dear students? That black box into ddx of that black box.
Yeah.
Are you getting my point, dear students?
Yeah.
ddx of that black box. Correct? Now I go little deep dive, understand what is there inside the black box. Now I see the inside the black box, what is there is log of x plus 1 by x. Now let me write. Correct, na?
Mm.
And I can give a bracket so that, to make it clear. Log of x plus 1 by x. Correct or not?
Yeah.
Now the problem got little bit, simpler. So here to what I will write as it is there sine of, log of x plus 1 by x into ddx of log of sine x plus. Now again, what ddx of log of x plus 1 by x?
Yeah.
I will make this thing. Now I cannot use a black box. Let me use a blue box. I know only worry about log. I don't worry about what is there inside the log for the time being. Correct?
Okay.
So now tell me what is the ddx of log? It's 1 by
1 by
ddx of log of blue. That means 1 by blue.
1 by log of 1 by that.
1 by that. 1 by that. Correct. That is that blue one, blue circled one.
Yeah.
So what I'll do? I'll write 1 by that blue circle. Correct?
Yeah.
Correct or not?
Yes.
Then into ddx of that blue circle.
2. Yeah.
Dear students, am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Don't always believe that, sir, you are saying means it is right. You should always believe me with your eyes open, with your mind open, and then, what sir is telling. Otherwise, I'll keep sir wait for 2 minutes. So, no, sir, give me time, let me consume whatever you said. So, what you get it here? 1 by, so that blue is what? X plus 1 by x. Correct or not?
Yeah.
So, I can give a bracket, and here it is x plus 1 by x.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes.
Clear or not clear?
Yes.
So now let's come here. What we get is that this is equal to now 1 by x plus 1 by x, that is nothing but x by x plus 1.
Yeah.
So minus x by x plus 1 into sine of
Log x plus
log
1.
of x plus 1 by x. Correct, no? Into ddx of, I want to make this algebraic expression little simplified, as it will help me to, So x plus 1 by x means what? 1 plus 1 by x.
Yeah.
So I can write 1 plus x to the power minus 1 because it will help me to compute the differentiation. Anyone has any simplest doubt so far?
No.
Okay. Then it is minus of x by x plus 1 into sine of log of x plus 1 by x into ddx of 1 is 0 and ddx of minus x is minus 1 into x to the power minus 2.
Yes.
Correct or not?
Yes.
So minus 1 into x to the power minus 2 means we can write actually 1 by x square. Correct or not?
Yes.
So this minus and this minus will get cancelled, will become x. This x and x square got cancelled, so it will be 1 by x.
1 by x. Yeah.
Correct or not? So what do you get? 1 by, sorry, let me write properly, 1 by x into x plus 1 into sine of log of x plus 1 by x. That's what we get now.
Yes, yes. Got it.
Dear students, that's what
Yeah.
we get. What about the approach you take? You can take many approaches, no problem, but all leads to the same answer.
Yeah.
Is it clear? Absolutely
Yes.
clear, Sagnik?
Yes.
Okay, our time's up. But before we conclude, if you wish, we can have a session in the evening as well at 6:30. If all of you say yes, because I should not disturb your routine. If all of you say unanimously yes, then only we can have a class at 6:30. Otherwise, we can have tomorrow. We have time now. We have no problem. We have sufficient time. We can have tomorrow also.
I think we'll have tomorrow, sir.
Okay, fine. We'll have tomorrow. Now, quickly we can discuss the next question what we gave now. What are the answers you got? I can say yes or no. So next question I gave y equal to x power x, correct or not? That was the next question I gave, right?
Yeah.
Let me keep it here. So just a minute. Okay, let me go to the let me discuss it here itself. And I hope you can approach by your own, right? Now you understood, right? Same chain rule you can apply. You can take function of functions, correct? Now, but if you wish, you can tell what is that, because that solution to this question is a bigger answer. Or I can tell you. Shall I tell you the answer?
Yes, sir. I didn't get these questions.
Take the simpler approach. X to the power x to the power x. You first take x power x is something. Got it? Then
Yes, I tried with that, but I was getting some vague answer.
you're getting some vague answer. No answer is vague. It is the answer you got at your own way. So it is wrong. It's not vague. Maybe there is some mistake has been happened. That's why, right? What I'm saying is that you assume u equal to x power x. So then what you will get? You will get x to the power u, na?
Yeah. Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
So this is one approach you can take. So x to the power u, then take a log. I'm just giving little hints that you can proceed, okay? Fine, na? Fair enough. Another 5 minutes, dear students. Can you spend another 5 minutes?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. So what I'm saying is that let me give you a hints for this one. You can take the same approach for the next one. What I'm saying is that y is equal to x power u, where u is equal to x power x. Is this is clear or not?
Yeah. Yeah.
Then we take log of both the sides. Then log y is equal to log of x to the power u.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
So that implies what? That implies x into u into log x. Correct or not?
Yeah.
Now let's differentiate with respect to x, because our target, what our purpose is that to find dy dx. So we need to find ddx of
DDX.
log y. I know you know how to apply the chain rule. So ddx of u into log x. Correct or not?
Yeah.
I do not want to proceed further because it is dy of log y into dy dx is equal to u into ddx of log x plus log x into ddx of u. Correct? Sagnik, are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Then proceed.
The product rule.
Yeah, product rule you need to use. Then again you need to apply chain rule. Okay. Use it. Then only you'll know. Or if you want me to tell no, sir, you solve it, then there is no fun if I solve it. Correct or not?
Yes, I'll
So
try.
the approach of brother. Yeah, then again we'll discuss tomorrow. Same thing for the next one. Correct or not? And same thing for the other two questions also. Always, the next question was what? Let me, let me bring it here. Okay. See, once you start solving with this fundamental understanding clear, you will become very rock solid in solving any differential calculus problem. That is my confidence. Okay, the same thing u by v rule, right? Right or not? Take this one. Take this one. If you take, you can consider this as u. Correct.
This is the denominator is
This is b. Now, the moment you find du dx, it is as if that d dx of square root of x into x plus 4 power 3 by 4 product rule. It is an amalgamation of, division rule and product rule and then chain rule all mixed together. Correct?
Okay.
Correct or not?
Yeah.
Any smallest doubt, let me. Same thing for the next question also. Please approach in this manner. Do let me know how you found. Okay. And again, we will have a class tomorrow. Correct or not?
Yes.
With this note, I would like to conclude the class for today, unless you have any specific question for me.
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you. So we have our next class tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Thank you.
And so if we have doubt again, like, can we discuss it tomorrow? Like, even after trying?
Yeah, definitely. Our next class, our purpose in the tomorrow's class is to discuss in all these problems.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, dear students. Take care.
Yeah. Thank you.